welcome back to another video. As y'all see by the title, this is another makeup tutorial, a full glam kind of look. So if y'all want to see how I got this look, then like this video, subscribe, that button right there, down there, and make sure y'all leave a comment in the comment section to let me know that you are there, you're watching, and let me know how you like this makeup look. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So I did my brows off camera, and I used the NYX eyebrow pencil in the color dark brown, and then I used Tarte Shape Tape concealer in this shade Tan Sand, and I use that to conceal. Now I'm using the e.l.f. poreless face primer, and I'm putting that all over my face.
Girl, you got me wide open. Waiting all day and I'm hoping. So baby, don't run. Backseat you know what I want. You know that I like it.
Taking Makeup Revolution Banana Deep Baking Powder, and I put this on under my eyes just so that I don't get any creasing. Next, I'm using MILANI Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation, and it has concealer, or it's a foundation and concealer, but this is in the color Golden Tan, and I'm using this for today's video, and I'm just putting this all over my face. Next, I'm using Makeup Revolution's Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C10.5. And I usually use C12, but I didn't re-up on that, so I just used this one. And it works really good. I feel like this concealer is easy to blend out.
Take it all the way. I'm just saying, I just wanna make time for you. Swear it's just right for you. Like this pussy designed for you. 10 out of 5 on you. Know I was out on the line for you. Bet I look nice for you. Open my mind for you. Don't wanna wait on it tonight. I wanna get nasty. Wake up. Don't wanna wait on it tonight. I wanna get nasty. Swear it's just right for you. Like this pussy designed for you. 10 out of 5 on you. Oh, I was out on the line for you. Bet I look nice on you. Open my mind for you. Don't wanna wait on it tonight. I wanna get
Now I'm taking Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette in medium to dark and taking that dark contour, and I'm going to put this on my cheekbones and a little bit on my forehead. And these steps are a little repetitive, so you guys can just keep on watching and I will come back. Your favorite part, the Warrior 2 by JUVIAS Plaice palette, and I'm taking the Kufuru shade out of this palette and I am using that all over the lid.
What about the next day? I said you don't want to throw it all away. You're bugging on the first day. What about the next day? Dust yourself off and try again. You can dust it off and try again, try again. You don't succeed. You can dust it off and try again. Dust yourself off and try again, try again.
This is L'Oreal's Infallible Foundation in a powder, and it's in the color Hazelnut. And I'm just taking this all over my face just to blend everything and make everything look seamless. taking NYX Epic ink liner in the color black, and I'm just going to do a really big wing. I felt like it was needed for this type of look.
Do y'all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Taking the Morphe 35 Icy Fantasy palette, and I'm taking this blue color, and it matched my dress, so I decided to go with this shade, and I'm putting it on the lower lash line just to give a pop of color with this look.
Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million.
Now for the lip combo, I am taking the NYX Lip Liner in Espresso, and y'all know how to line your lips, so you can take any brown lip liner that you have, or you can go to the beauty supply and go get you a brown liner, girl. For this nude shade, I just took a little concealer that I had from a concealer palette, and I just took a bit on my finger and dabbed it onto my lips, and then I went back with the pencil and just faded it in together. And I'm also taking a little bit of highlighter and putting it on my nose just to set the look off a little bit more. I love how this look came out, and I hope you guys did too. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.